Welcome to my video, and I will talk about my fidget spinner. This fidget spinner is like different than the other fidget spinners. This one is made of plastic, I think. A little bit metal and a little bit plastic. Like this one's kind of really good. But when you wear a fidget spinner, it will not even spin anymore. It will spin like this. No, like that. Like that. And I don't want to do that to my fidget spinner because this one cost me $20. And can you subscribe to my channel? I changed my YouTube channel name, and yeah, can you guys subscribe, please? Bye.